Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 28. Vivida Ashita Pidiya Adhyaya. Sequential Effects of Food and Beverages. Part 1. Adhado Vivida Ashita Pidiyam Adhyayam Vyakyasyamaha. Idiha Smaha Bhagavanatreyaha. Now we shall expound the chapter Vivida Ashita Pidiya. Thus said Lord Atreya. Digestion process and its effects. Vividam ashidam pidam leadam ghadidam. Jendohidam andara agni samdukshida bhalena yadhasvena ushmana. Different types of wholesome foods ingested in the form of asita. Ashita eatable, pida drinkable, lida lickable and ghadida masticable. Stimulate the andaragni, that is a digestive process, and get properly digested by respective bhutagni. Specific digestion as per basic constituent or element. Samyak vipachyamanam kalavadaram sthitam sarvadhadu pagam anubahadam sarvadhadu ushma maruta. Further, in due course of time, food get transformed into different dhatu in the presence of dhatu agni and vada, that is vyana vyayu, by the process of dhatu agnipaga or metabolism. Srodaha kevalam shariram ubajaya bhala varna sukha ayusha yojayadi sharira dhadun urjayadi cha. Nourishes the tissue through the channels of circulation, sroda, without any interruption and produces Sharira Ubajaya plumpness, Bala strength, Varna complexion, Sukha Ayusha health and longevity. Dadavo hi Dadavaharaha Pragritim Anuvartande. The tissues are sustained by getting fed by various nourishing factors, that are the Poshaka Dhadus. Metabolism, excretion and homeostasis. Tatra ahara prasadhakyo rasaha kittam cha malakyam abhi nirvartade. The food gets transformed into two forms, that is prasada or essence form, ahara rasa, and kitta, the waste form. So ahara can be divided into or transformed into two forms, prasada and kitta. Kittat, Sweda, Mutra, Purisha, Vada, Pitta, Sleshmanaha. Karna, Akshi, Nasika, Asya, Loma, Kuba, Prajanana, Malaha. Kesha, Shmashru, Loma, Naga, Daya, Cha, Avayava, Pushyanti. The Kitta part nourishes the mala or excretory products like Sweda, sweat, Mutra, urine, Purisha, stool, Vada, Pitta, Sleshmana, that is Kabha, Karna, excreta of ear, Akshi, eye, Nasika, nose, Asya, mouth, Loma, Kuba, hair follicle, Prajanana, Malaha, genital organs. Kesha, hair, Shmashru, beard, Loma, body hair, Naga, nails, etc. Pushyanti tu ahara rasat rasa rudira mamsa medo asti majja shukra ojamsi panchendriya dravyani dadu prasada sapnyagani sharira sandibandha pichadayascha avayavaha. Essence part or ahara rasa nourishes rasa body fluid, recta blood, mamsa flesh, medas fat, asti bone, majja bone marrow, shukra reproductive element like semen and ovum, or just essence of 7 fundamental tissue element or sapta dhatu, basic components of 5 sense organ, panchendriya dravya, joints, sandhi, sandhibandha ligament, tendon and mucilage part in the body. So, Kitta gives Poshana to Sweda, Mutra, Purisha, Vada, Pitta, Sleshmanaha, Karna, Akshi, Nasika, Asya, Loma, Kuba, Prajanana, Malaha, Kesha, Smashru, Loma, Nagadayascha, Avayavaha, Pushyanti. Prasada, Rasa, Rudhira, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja, Shukra, Ojamsi, Panchendriya Dravyani, Sandhi Bandha, Pichadescha, Avayavaha. Te sarva eva dhadavo malakyaha prasadakyascha. All the malas and dhatu of the body are pushyantaha, nourished by malakyaha, waste part of the food, and prasadakya, essence of food, or ahara rasa, respectively. Rasamalabhyam pushyantaha swam mana manu vartande yadhavayavah sharira. Rasadi dhatu and mala or waste products, that is rasamala, are nourished so that the quality is maintained yatha avayava shariram according to size and age of body. एवं रसमलौ स्वप्रवाणावस्थिता आव आश्रयस्य समधातोः धातुसाम्यम् अनुवर्तयतः. Thus, after digestion, the essence and waste of food in their normal quantity maintain the equilibrium of tissue. Dhatu samyam. निमित्तदस्तु क्षीणवृद्धानां प्रसादाख्यानां धातूनां वृद्धिक्षया अभ्यामाहारमूलाभ्यां रसः साम्यम् उत्पादयति आरोग्याय. The tissue element may vruddha increase or kshina decrease due to some etiology which can be normalized by essence part of the digested food in kshaya decreased or vruddhi increased quantity. Kittam cha malanam evam eva. Similarly, mala can be transformed into waste part of ahara rasa or kittam. स्वमान अतिरिक्ताः पुनरुत्सर्गिणः शीत उष्ण पर्याय गुणैः च उपजयमाना मलाः शरीरधातु साम्यकराः समुपलभ्यन्ते. The waste product swamana adiriktaha, when in excess, can be excreted and the status of the body can be brought to equilibrium, dhatu samyakhara, through treatment with the therapies having opposite quality like ushna or hot, shida or cold, etc. Channels for nourishment of tissue. तेषां तु मलप्रसादाख्यानां धातूनां स्रोतांसि अनुमुखानि तानि यथा विभागेन यथा स्वं धातूनाम् अपूरयन्ति. The nourishing as well as excretory products enter different channel of circulation, nourish the respective dhatu. Evamidam shariramashida peda lida ghadida prabhavam. Thus this body is maintained by the nourishment drawn from eatable, that is ashida, drinkable peda, linctus lida and ghadida chewable. Ashida peda lida ghadida prabhavascha asmincha sharire vyadhayo bhavanti. The disease could also be caused by these sources, that is ashida, etc. Hida ahida ubhayoga visheshaha tu atra shubha ashubha visheshakara bhavanti iti. Intake of wholesome, that is hida, unwholesome ahida ahara food result in positive shubha health and disease ashubha respectively. Query of Agnivesha. Eva vadinam bhagavandam atreyam Agnivesha uvacha. After hearing an explanation of Lord Atreya, Agnivesha said, Drishyande hi Bhagavan. Hida samakhyadam abhyaharam uba yunchana vyadim andascha agadascha tadeva ahida samakhyadam. O Lord, some individual consuming wholesome food, hida ahara, get afflicted with disease, while some individual consuming unwholesome food, ahida ahara, remain healthy. एवं दुष्टे कदम हिद अहिद उभयोग विशेषात्मकं शुभ अशुभ विशेषम उभलभ aha idi. In this regard, how does one infer that health and disease are influenced by wholesome and unwholesome food respectively? Hida ahida ahara. Answer by Atreya about causative factors of disease and immunity. Tam uvacha Bhagavan Atreya. Lord Atreya replied, Na hida ahara ubayoginam agnivesha tannimitta vyadhayo jayanti. An individual consuming wholesome food, hida ahara, will not get afflicted with disease due to the food. Nacha kevalam hida ahara ubayogad eva sarva vyadhi bhayam adhikrandam bhavanti. Intake of wholesome food alone is not the causative factor for a disease or can prevent disease. Sandhi hirde abhi ahida ahara ubayogadanya roga pragridayaha. Apart from unwholesome food, There are many other etiological factors that lead to a disease. തദ്യത കാലവിപര്യയ പ്രജ്ഞാപരാധ ശബ്ദ സ്പർശ രൂപ രസഗന്ധ ച അസാത്മ്യ ഇതി. So there are many etiological factors such as changes in season kala viparyaya, prajnaparada intellectual error, unwholesome contact, excessive asatmya wrong, and overutilization of senses of shabda sound, sparsha touch, rupa vision, rasa taste, and gandha smell. ताश्च रोगप्रकृतयो रसान् सम्यक् उपयुञ्जानाम् अपि पुरुषम् अशुभेन उपपादयन्ति. This etiological factor can cause diseases in an individual despite wholesome intake of taste and diet. तस्मात् हित आहार उपयोगिनो अपि दृश्यन्ते व्याधिम् अन्तः. Hence an individual taking wholesome food has also been observed to have taken ill. अहित आहार उपयोगिनां पुनः कारणतो न सद्यो दोषवान् भवति अपचारः. Similarly, consuming unwholesome diet does not immediately produce untoward effects. न हि सर्वाणि अपत्यानि तुल्य दोषाणि. All unwholesome food articles are not equally harmful. न च सर्वे दोषाः तुल्य फलाः. All the doshas are not of equal strength. न च सर्वाणि शरीराणि व्याधिक्षमत्वे समर्थानि भवन्ति. And all the bodies are not capable of preventing disease. तदेव हि अपत्यं देशकालसंयोगवीर्यप्रमाण अधियोगात् भूयः तरम् अपत्यं सम्पद्यते. Unwholesome food can be more harmful depending upon the desha, habitat, kala, season, samyoga combination, virya potency, and pramana adiyoga intake in excessive quantity. Sa eva doshaha samsrishta yonihi viruddha upakramo gambira anugadaha chirastitaha prana ayadhana samudha marmobagadi Kashtatamaha, Kshiprakari Tamaha, cha Sampadyate. The dosha become acute, Kshiprakari Tama and Kashtatama, that is extremely difficult to manage. Some Srishta Yoni, when they get associated with multiple factors, Viruddha Upakrama, treated with wrong therapy. Gambira Anugada, become deep rooted, Chirastita, chronic. Pranaya Dhana Samudho, get vitiated in one of the 10 seats of prana, Pranaya Dhana. Marma Ubhagadi, when they afflict vital center within the body known as marma. Sharirani cha adistulani adikrishani anivishta mamsa shonita astini durbalani asatmya ahara ubajida anya alpa aharani alpa satvani cha bhavanti avyadi sahani. Individual Adi Stulani, who are excessively obese, Adi Krishani, emaciated, Anivishta Mamsa Shonita Astini, whose muscle, blood, bones are depleted, Durbalani, who are physically very weak, Asatmya Ahara Ubajidani, who are habituated to consuming unwholesome food, Alpa Aharani, who take in inadequate quantity of food, Alpa Satvani, who have very weak mind, Avyadi Sahani, cannot withstand diseases. Vipiridhani, Punarvyadi Sahani. Contrary to this, individuals having opposite quality to the one mentioned above are capable of resisting disease. Ebishcha aiva apatya ahara dosha sharira visheshebhyo vyadhayo mridavo dharunaha shipra samudhaha chirakaryanascha bhavanti. Thus, ahita ahara or unwholesome diet, dosha, and sharira vishesha or body constitution factor produce disease of mridu or mild, daruna severe, kshipra or acute, and chirakari or chronic nature. त एव वादपित्तश्लेष्माणः स्थानविशेषे प्रकुपिता व्याधि विशेषान् अभिनिर्वर्तयन्ति अग्निवेश. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.